Where in Vietnam experiences the coldest weather conditions? Think Vietnam as all steamy beaches? Here's the twist. The country's coldest weather hits the far north, especially on high mountains and passes. The deepest freezes occur around the Hoàng Liên Sơn range, Fansipan above Sapa, plus Et and Âu Quy Ho Pass, and the Mẫu Sơn massif in Long Son. In strong winter outbreaks, temperatures can drop to around or below 0 degrees Celsius with frost and occasional snow, and wind chill makes it feel even harsher. Sapa town is a popular base and gets cold, but the true extremes are usually on the nearby summits and ridgelines rather than in the valley. Peak chill runs December to February, sometimes into March, when dry continental air surges south. If you're heading there, pack like you mean it. Thermal base layers, an insulated mid-layer, a waterproof shell, warm hat and gloves, and boots with good grip. Skip light fashion jackets. Damp mountain air bites. For a sure taste of Vietnam's cold side, aim for Fansipan and Mẫu Sơn in midwinter and watch the forecast.